Hi everyone, Nadine here from Stitching and Crafting. I'm here today to show you how to sew knife edge pillow, throw pillow or cushion without zippers. Okay, now if you're a beginner and you don't know much about sewing, it's very good to start off by sewing your own pillows. It's super easy, super fast, and it doesn't take much out of you to do it. All you need is your fabric, your measuring tape, your pin cushion, your scissors, and of course your sewing machine. Okay, let's get into it. Now I'm using a cotton type fabric, two different patterns. Okay, and the measurement that I'm using is 20 by 18. Okay, so it's not square, it's going to be rectangular. Okay, not square, rectangular, 20 inches by 18 inches. All right, now I'm going to put the right sides together. So this is the right side for one fabric, the right side of the other one. So I'm going to put them together like this. Make sure that all the ends match. Okay, I'm going to leave a space in the middle or an opening in the middle for the stuffing. Okay, so I'm going to use polyfiber to stuff it. All right, so you need your fabric, you need your tape measure, you need your scissors, your pin cushion, and your stuffing. So my stuffing is over there beside my sewing machine. So when I'm ready to use it, you will see. Okay, so I'm going to head over to the machine and you will see how it goes. Remember, you will not use any zipper. All right, so for closure, I will use hand sewing to close. Okay, let's get right over to the sewing machine and start. So I'm gonna get right into it. As I said, the opening will be in the middle area. So what I'm gonna do now is to start sewing from somewhere in the middle right here. Instead I start sewing from down this end, I'm going to start sewing from up here because I want the opening to be actually in the middle. All right, and I'm going to give it a 1/2 inch seam. I forget to tell you that if you're going to do a pillow or a cushion, whatever name you want to call it, if you're going to do like say 14 by 14 inches by 14 inches, you're going to have to cut your fabric 15 inches by 15 inches because you need allowance for the seam. Okay, so my allowance is going to be 1/2 inch. So starting to sew, I'm going to insert the needle into the fabric like that, and I'm going to sew forward, then back for reinforcement all around the 4 sides. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. So if you're and I'm using my brother CS 6000i sewing machine. Again, my brother CS 6000i computerized sewing machine. I have videos where you can watch, and they tell you about how you can thread your machine, parts and functions, okay? So go ahead and check out my videos about the Brother 6000 CS6000i computerized sewing machine. I appreciate your time. So I'm done right there. So I leave an opening right here in the middle. If I turn it like this, probably you'll see it better. The opening is right here in the middle. And the opening, my opening is like 6 inches because my hands are small. You can have a bigger opening if you choose to. It depends on the size of your hands, and you want to be able to put in the fillings fast, okay? So before I turn the right side out, pay attention to the edges or the points at the end right here, all these points, the 4 points. What I'm going to do is to clip them, so when I turn the right side out, I will have a nice point, or I'll have some nice points at the edge. When I stuff the pillows, it will look very nice. Let me go ahead and clip it. So this is the point right here, and I'm going to clip. All 4 points will be clipped. So use a point of your scissors to clip. One to go. Okay. So all the 4 points, they are clipped like this. So when I turn the right side out, I will have very nice points. Okay. So right side out. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So these are the points. So I'm going to use my scissors. Make sure it is closed. I'm going to go inside like this. And I'm going to push the points out like this. But you got to take your time because you don't want to break any seam, okay? So I put the points out like this, push it out. So I want the points to look very sharp when I insert the stuffing. See what I'm talking about? So all the 4 points, they're out. I think this one needs to go out some more. Now I'm going to insert my stuffing or filling. So when you're inserting the filling, make sure you put the fillings in from one point to the other, okay? Like that. Make sure you start filling the points first. The first place you're going to put your filling is at the point. Okay? So This is the polyfillings that I'm using. All right. Very soft and nice. In another video, I'll show you how to do the knife edge pillows with zippers, okay? But for now, for this one, no zipper, all right? And when you're washing this pillow, you can easily just put it in your washer like this, okay? You don't have to take all the stuffing or anything. Just drop it in your washer. Super easy. And again, if it ever gets dirty, just drop it in your washer. All right? See, super easy, super fast. In like 15 minutes, you have your pillow. All right? In 15 minutes, your pillow is done and ready to make your home look special, or wherever you want to use it. You can use your throw pillow anywhere. Okay, use it in your car. Anywhere. On your couch, on your bed, on your floor, anywhere. Look at that. So nice. Look at it. Pretty. This is very bright. It has orange flowers. Yeah. So nice. We'll get some more. Super easy, super fast. Just like that. So for beginners, you want to sew something, you just get your sewing machine, you want to sew something, start by sewing your pillow. All right. I think this is just about it. Looks so nice. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to use my pins, and I'm going to pin the edge, the opening right here. And then when I pin it, I'm going to get my sewing needle and start to hand sew, okay? I'm going to show you. Let me pin it first. So there's one pin there. Another pin. Make sure when you're pinning, make sure the seams are even at the edge. Make sure the pins are even, the seams are even, okay? So there it is. All right. Now I'm going to use the hand needle and quickly close it. So this is my hand needle. And I make sure that I use the color of the fabric thread, so it won't show. So what I did was to double the thread in the hand needle, and I place a knot at the end, and I'm going to close it now, okay? So what I'm going to do is to insert my needle at the beginning of the opening. Insert my needle like that. It has the knot so it won't come out, and I'm going to start. Okay, so over, fast and easy. See? So easy. Over. That, see? See? So when you use your hand needle to do this sewing, you will turn, if you choose to, you can turn this side at the bottom, turn it down if you don't want it to show. Okay, so easy, right? Look at that, so fast. So I remove the pin. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna clip my thread. So that's it. There you have it. Your knife edge pillow. There it is. Let me show you. Get a so there you have it. See, so easy, so fast. Look at that. Look at the back. And as I said, you can use your pillow anywhere. You see the points? They are how they are sharp. Let me fix the okay. All right. You see, you notice the points right here? They are sharp, they are distinct. Super fast, super easy knife edge pillow without the zipper. All right. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you. And wherever you are, stay safe and be blessed. Bye.